Welcome to Madeley Academy. I'm Aaron Williams, Assistant Pastoral Manager here at Madeley Academy, where I help with behaviour management, mental health and emotional well-being. Deal with a lot of lads, a lot of boys especially, behaviour issues, mental health, emotions. So I like to go for a walk with them in school, try and get them back to lesson, talk them back into lesson. But if not, they come to the office and we have a good conversation, mainly about football 9 times out of 10. Nowadays, there's a lot more speak about mental health and emotion. When we were at school, it was you're either crazy or you're not. And that's the way kids dealt with it, where kids, when I was at school, didn't want to open up, didn't want to speak. I can't remember us having a person to go to at our school when I was growing up. But that's our job, get involved in their lives, find out what's going on, because that 1 minute conversation you might have might help them for the next 10 days, 2 weeks, a month. And that's what it is, and that's the most enjoyable part. A lot of kids, especially from year 7s, so what's age 12 to 14, they live on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and that's all you see in the restaurant area. You can see probably 20 tables, all heads down facing the phone. And they're probably all looking at the same video, because that's the way they communicate nowadays. But that's the main issue, is the social media comments, because that's where they're getting upset, and that's where a lot of friendships are broken due to social media.
We'll see how we got.
Top goal scorer?
Second.
Second?
Yeah. Where'd you play? Centre.
Striker.
You play striker?
Yeah, mate, come on. Yeah, tell me that.
Have you seen his football skills yet?
No, we haven't. He's too scared to come outside.
You see the stats? What's
Get
it?
smashed in 5-a-side.
From the age of 4, I was kicking a ball. That's what everyone keeps telling me straight away. I was kicking a ball, and my dad started a Sunday league team. My first game I got picked up by Birmingham. So I went to Birmingham, went on trial there. From the age of 7 to first year pro, I was at Warsaw, loved it there. From Warsaw, I was just in and out of non-league. I think I finally found my feet where I've spent the most time, which is Newtown. I think this is the longest where I've spent one period of time playing football for someone and still enjoying it. So it's a place where I felt like home and where I really enjoy my football.
O Williams, lle yn y cwrcosbi, volley hyfryd yn dyblu mantais y Robiniad.
Looking back at last season's playoffs, going into it where we lost the 10 games in the split, and then going to Bala as a draw the line in the sand. We beat Bala the first time in 8 seasons there, placed 4-2, and it gave us some momentum going into the final. But for some reason, it just never clicked. So when it came down to the penalties, the keeper definitely did his homework with a couple of lads, myself included. Went down the middle 3 times that season, and he stood still and saved it because he went down the middle. So fingers crossed we can overstep that hurdle this time and complete what we want to achieve. When I first signed for Newtown, I think we went to Ireland for Dundalk. It was the first European game, and I've been lucky enough to go to Faroe Islands, Slovakia and play games. And that's what you want to do as a footballer. You want to travel. You want to play in the big stadiums, the great atmospheres, and I don't think the atmosphere at Slovakia will ever be beaten. I've played at Wembley, and the Slovakia atmosphere is 10 times better, and it was a smaller stadium. I don't know if that's the reason why, but when you've got 30,000 fans doing the thunderclap, it really gives you a chill down the spine. And fingers crossed we can perform the next 2 games, get over the line, open that penalty shootout, and achieve another European tour.